On this edition of Performance TV, we're taking our Fisher House Foundation bike build to a new level. We'll show you a small muffler that will make a big difference in your truck's exhaust, and we'll be talking trailers as this show unfolds.
Welcome back to Performance TV. Tommy, you and I have been working on this project bike for the folks at Fisher House here for a while, and we're just going to take it one step better. Glenn Nash joining us from Arnott. This thing's going to ride so much better. I mean, the Harleys, they have a little bit of an air, like assisted type system on them, but not like this.
No, this is a true onboard adjustable air suspension system. What it allows you to do is adjust the ride height and the load capacity on the spot at any time during the ride or while you're parked or stopped. And
you do have some different options too. With our bike, we've been putting a lot of chrome on and things back here, which you do offer your system in chrome. But we're going to put some black on here. It looks like everything comes right along with the kit.
Yes, it's pretty much a plug-and-play system. Everything assembles really quickly. The compressor mounts with a bracket onto the bike. You have different options. You have handlebar switches for lowering and raising the bike. You have gauges and toggle switches that come standard with the bike on some cases. But it is pretty much a plug-and-play system, very easy to install.
Tommy, you do have quite a bit of stuff that you've been doing back here.
Been busy. We've been getting it all done. Kathy, I did put the switch up here on the handlebars. Looks like it comes factory. I like that, being able to do it on the go, whether you're riding, sitting, whatever you want to do. You want to put air in, you push one button. You want to take air out, you push the other. Got the manifold here for all the air lines. The pump, we've actually mounted right here in this location, right in front of the battery. Comes with a bracket, bolts right in. Got the relay here. We've wired into everything, to the compressor. The fuse harness is right here. Only thing I got left to do is put the shocks on and plumb some airlines.
Well, I think you've got the toughest job done. Now we're going to get these changed out back here. Let's go ahead and get some bolts for this.
I got the toughest job done. You can do the easy.
Yeah, I'll do that. All right, let's go. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pop a little airline off here. You just loosened up. Of course, first thing we wanted to do was go ahead and get the jack underneath here, because we're going to need that not only for taking off the old shock, but making the adjustments we need to put the new one on.
Exactly.
While you're working away, I'm going to do this side while you're doing that side.
All right.
Now, I mounted the pump underneath here.
Yes.
You have brackets for mounting it in the rear, mounting it in the front, all different bikes, all different brackets. You have a mount for the pump anywhere the guy needs to put it.
Yes, depending on the model and the year of the bike, we have several locations, 4 or 5. You can place it on the back fender, on the bag bracket, up in the fairing, in front of the battery box, below the battery box.
Yeah.
With all the electronics and the new navigational systems that are going on and stereo systems that are going on bikes, that's our toughest challenge, is getting that
run out around everywhere, yeah.
And that bracket located somewhere.
There's several different options wherever you want to put it.
Wherever you want to put it.
All right, Tommy, I'm ready to put mine on. Can you stop for a second? We're going to need to jack this thing up.
Jack up a little bit for you?
Yep, quite a bit, actually.
All right, get your bolts ready.
Well, first thing we want to do, we're going to put just a little bit of Loctite on the end. Should be about enough. Have that ready. And we want to make sure that this, for all of our adjustments that we can make, is aimed toward the back so you can actually reach in there and get to it. Okay, we got that part started. Okay, go ahead, Tommy.
How are we looking?
We're getting there. There we go. You can go ahead and just hold it there for a second. And next bolt ready. Slide it on in there. Okay, Tommy, I think we're getting this side over here.
All right.
Hopefully yours goes on as easy as this one did. Now, what are all of the adjustments that we can make back here?
Well, you have the 11-point adjustable dampening system, which controls the rebound on the shock, which gives you the ride softer or harder, or if you prefer a stiffer ride instead of a softer ride, you can adjust it.
Once it's all installed on the bike, we're not pulling over to put air in it, to go out for a ride, to see if we like it, to come back, to change the air. we're doing this on the fly. Like I said, sitting right there at the stoplight if you want to change it, or going down the road.
That's right.
Something we want to keep in mind, we're dealing with a couple of very soft metals here, aluminum and brass.
Yeah, they don't need to be real tight.
They don't
It's
need
got
to be
an
real
O-ring
tight.
on it, help seal it.
All right.
Pull that out.
Pull that out.
Let me feed you that line. Got it?
Yep.
Put that in. All right.
We are in.
Finish the zip ties. Let's make it all pretty, but I want to see this in action.
Me
Everybody
too.
ready?
Yep, we're ready.
All right, let's go up. Look at that.
Check that out.
Raising right up.
Yes, it is.
Perfect.
Man, that's going to make that thing ride so much better. You know what, Tommy? We could do so many cool things to this bike for the Fisher House project. This is really going to make somebody an awesome, awesome motorcycle. We'll have more coming up here on Performance TV.
With Arnott's true onboard adjustable air suspension, riders can lower their bike for stopping, adjust ride height while traveling, and even change shock firmness for comfort. Arnott's affordable motorcycle suspension kits come with everything needed for a fast, flawless installation and are backed by a limited 5-year warranty. If you are looking for more control and comfort for your motorcycle, look to Arnott. Engineered to ride, built to last.